Hello everyone, this is Amanda with Martin Yale Industries. I am here today with Samantha and we are going to show you our 62001 letter opener. Just a quick second about Martin Yale. We are a U.S. owned and operated company. We have been here since 1940, engineering and manufacturing of paper handling products for the office. This machine that we are looking at today is made in our factory in Wabash, Indiana. This is the largest letter opener we make. It's ideal for large businesses and mailrooms. Fully enclosed blades to protect your fingers. Automatically feeds, opens, and collects a stack of envelopes. It runs at 17,500 envelopes per hour and accepts a 6-inch tall stack of envelopes with a wide variety of sizes and up to a 1/4 inch thick. It's got an adjustable cutting width. Allows scrap size to be adjusted from 1/16 of an inch up to 3/16 of an inch. And it does have a removable receiving tray that keeps the scraps apart from the open envelopes. This is a 110-volt machine that we're looking at today. So it does plug into just a standard wall outlet. We do have it available in a 220, 230. If you have a necessity to send it outside of the country, we can make that. It is a special order for us. So we're just going to give you a quick rundown and then a demo of this machine. I think as you saw when we were going through here, Samantha opened the cover and your blades are in here along with some belts that feed the envelopes through. The machine will not work if this cover is open. That is the safety feature. The cover has to be closed in order for the machine to work. Oh boy, there we go. And the only other part to this machine, there is no assembly, or generally no assembly. This is the catch tray. There's 2 pieces to it, so your opened envelopes are going to fall in the front, and your scraps fall there in the back. And then your adjustment is right here on the side. This is your cut adjustment knob. And we do have a thickness. This is kind of like, we compare it to a sewing machine foot. If you have thicker envelopes, you can adjust this. That way your thicker envelopes will go through a little bit easier. Typically, it doesn't need any adjusting. It will just kind of pull everything through on its own. There's a power button in the front. And very, very simple operation. So we're going to load it up here. We're just going to start with regular envelopes. Now, we like to open the bottom of the envelope just to help keep you from snagging any kind of paper clips or staples, things like that, that people tend to put on the top. Always, always, you saw Samantha tap down the envelopes. That way it pushes all your material to the side that you're not cutting, and this will prevent you from cutting into the material inside the envelope. And then you just turn it on, and it pulls them through and opens them. And we do have some different size envelopes and different types here. So we're going to show you each different kind. Like I said, we open from the bottom. Also, that keeps the scrap a little bit more organized. It keeps your envelopes from opening into different pieces. These are window envelopes. And they go through there in a breeze. Then we have some thicker, little bit heavier manila envelopes that sometimes people get cards. This is also if you get Christmas cards or something like that, very similar to that. And then we have the larger envelopes. Yep, it just opens them right up. We do open the sides of those normally. I know the flaps at the top, but it's just easier sometimes to do the side with those. This larger envelope, we're going to have to fling off the table, which is honestly Samantha's favorite part of this entire machine, is because you're going to see these envelopes are going to fly off the edge of our tray. But since these are a little bit bigger and hang over a little bit, sometimes you have to hold the front, and that way they stay completely on the tray. And that's really your only holdback as to how big the envelope can be, is just to make sure it does not fall off the front of that tray. Yeah, and if we had the table a little bit longer, we would you just move the exit tray or the catch tray a little bit further away from the machine, and that'll fall right into the machine instead of out onto the floor like we just said. Any questions?
I do have a question. Will it open ballots, like absentee ballots?
Yes, that is a very good question, and it will. We actually have some samples here that are stuffed.
Okay.
These are election ballots that we had some samples. A wonderful customer sent them in so we could test them for them. And that is very, very popular right now, especially with the way things are going. A lot of people are looking at these for that. Just a side note, right now, these are eligible for your CARES. I know people have CARES funds that they are spending. These machines are eligible for that. You can use your CARES funds for this unit because it's made in the US. Any other questions? Anything else you'd like to see? All right, well, that was our quick demo of the 62001 letter opener. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@martinyale.com. You can call us at 800-225-5644. Or our website is available, obviously, 24 hours a day, www.martinyale.com. That'll also have links to this video and other demo videos that we have done. Thank you, everybody, for joining us today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.